So the next step, you just use masking. Here's the easy way to remove your background. So hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will tell you how to you create your YouTube thumbnail more attractive and get more views from it, because thumbnail is the key to get more views. Today I will teach you how to make it. So watch the video till the end. So first you have to Photoshop to edit your thumbnail over there, because without Photoshop it's difficult to do. But if you have PC, you can easily download from Google. If you don't have Photoshop software, you can comment me. I will share the file link in my description. So first you go to the Photoshop. Here's my thumbnail I created, and you just go to the create new. Then there's a new document pop up, and here is the interface of Photoshop, and there's a width and there's a height. I said this because I already create my thumbnails, and this is a perfect resolution width and height for your thumbnail. You just resize whatever you want, but this is the ideal thing you can put over there. Just create it, and here's your art over there. Basically you call it art. Here's a tool, and there is a layer where you edit your all over the stuff over there, put pictures, text, everything you can do over here. So what is the next step? You must import the files what you edit, like this. Here's my folder. I just drag this file in Photoshop and set this in a artboard. Basically I use pen tool. Here's a pen tool. Just click it, and Alt plus use your mouse wheel to zoom it, and space bar to drag it. So what you did, just I remove the background from my picture. So use pen tool. Pen tool is the best tool. I have a good grip on it. It's too much give accuracy on it. So you just use it. It's the best way to edit your pictures. So I completed the way I need from my picture. Now I remove the background from my picture. I just need my face and what I put on my thumbnail, like this. Make right click to make selection. So the next step, you just use masking. Here's the easy way to remove your background. So what you can do, just resize it how much you need size, and I just use over there. And now I need a background. It's up to you what kind of background you need. I have a file, so I put this background here, and I make a size. So on my artboard, like this. Now you can do, my picture is height. What you can do, just put this layer at the top, so you can easily look, you got your picture. Just resizes. Now it is good. So you can remove anything background from your picture like this. Now I need some text. So you go to the text and write whatever you want related to your video. I write over there thumbnail for my channel, but I like the best font of my picture is Prince. Prince. think I lost that fun. Maybe. Well, you need any kind of fun. I just take this and I have increased the size and set over there. So here's the easy way to make a thumbnail. You also go to add more feature on it. Just go to the blending option, and here's a lot of style here. Style, drop shadow, outer glow. You can see also what I was recently used on my thumbnail. It changed itself, so it's a good way to just use it. Otherwise, if you don't like, don't use it. There's a lot of option. You can change the color like this. You can change light red, dark red, or here's another option. You can change more more lighty, or you can reduce the spread all as well. Just reduce the size. If you don't like this, just whatever you want. Blending option give you another style, so you can do anything over there. So here's the video. Maybe you like it. If you're watching this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe as well, and put the bell icon so you never miss my video.